All right, so we're here, and we're going to give you a review. We've been using this for the last 3 months, and so we'll give you an update on what the ZINGYOU has done for us. We'll see you in a second. Okay, we're back. So, hey, Nolan, we've used the ZINGYOU condenser microphone bundle for the past, since March, right?
Yeah.
And what do you think? Not too shabby.
I love it.
And what you're hearing is that exact mic. We haven't even had to upgrade yet, so we like it. So the things you get with it, you get the microphone, which is an XLR microphone, and you can turn it into a PC microphone. It comes with all the cables that you need. It comes with the scissor arm. The suspension one, which is this one here, not the white one that you see here, but this black one. I don't know if you can see it on the camera or not. And then you get a pop filter. You get actually 2 pop filters, the studio recording screen, and then the mic itself. And the mic itself, if you use it, like Nolan, take your sponge off, and you'll hear like you actually.
Test.
It's not too bad, but
it's still pretty good.
But the pop filter, I think you got a pretty decent quality mic here, and you can find it on Amazon now for $53. So for $53, you're getting a pretty good mic with the arm and everything.
Yeah, you know what? You can't beat the deal.
Yeah.
And not only what you're hearing now from us, but hearing it play back on our headphones and hearing us, it's crisp, right? And you talk about the pop filter. Like, when I take it off, you know, it's still nice and clear, but what this will do, it'll take out those little...
little pops.
And then that's exactly what it is, right? So it just keeps everything nice and crisp, but what a great deal.
Yeah, so for a studio mic for under $60, this one gets a Mental Cads? Are we doing the Mental Cads thing?
It's the mental case.
The mental case dads, eh? 2 thumbs up.
Forget about it.
There's the sex. That's 3 now.
God.
What are you doing? Come on.
I was away from school.
We're
that
giving the
day.
2 thumbs up. This guy.
Yeah.